Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can disable notifications when someone posts on Pickzon. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Pickzon app in a device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on notifications setting. After that, you can see the option of post. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable notifications when someone posts on Pickzon. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.